chicken wings on the Blackstone griddle. Woo, boy, I've had a hanker for some chicken wings now, let me tell you. But
whoa. Stop right there.
stop. Well, who you in here talking to me like that, girl?
Just
Who buys the chips in this family? Okay.
We're gonna do pancake breakfast tacos.
Pancake
Breakfast tacos.
breakfast tacos. Woo! That sounds like some good groceries. Well, looks like chicken wings are, we're gonna nix them bad boys. We're gonna do some pancake breakfast tacos on the Blackstone griddle. Y'all's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. What all we got? What all do we got? What all do we got? Well, I'm glad y'all asked. We got your milk. Get your milk there. All right. So, pancake breakfast tacos. We talked about this a little bit. What you got there? Hustling that heifer dust, girl. So I think first and foremost, we need to get our pancake mix ready. And this is a nice little taco holder. Let's use that. That'd be for our eggs. And we don't really measure much here. So we can.
I can go get some measurements.
That's all good. It's all good. So I thought, you know, I like a little thicker pancake. You like thick pancakes too, don't you?
I like
medium. Kind of what Daddy makes y'all. But we're gonna thin these out a little bit, okay?
So they can fold.
So we're gonna make these kind of thin, all right? And I don't know, that's a lot. That's gonna make a lot of thin pancakes.
Well, Jacob can have one.
Jacob can have one. You can have one, well, Jacob.
I don't know how much that's gonna make.
This is gonna make a lot. Give me that bag back. I don't want to make that many. If we do that and we do thin pancakes, whoo, doggies.
Well, it's not gonna be super thin. It's just gonna be thinner.
Yeah. Let's take some out because we'll
just one scoop.
We'll have to use a lot. I mean, a little goes a long way, especially when you make them thin. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit back.
And if we need more, we need more.
Yeah.
That should be.
All right. There we go. All right. So thin pancakes. That's first and foremost. Let's put this up under there. Thin pancakes. Let's put all that in there.
All of this?
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Got your whisk? All right. Whiskey business? Whiskey business. You want to put anything in there? You just kind of want to roll with that. Cinnamon. You didn't get any cinnamon.
Well, you never asked me last night.
Lord have mercy. Keep whisking a little bit. Don't. So one thing about pancakes, we're out of milk in this house apparently. So we don't want to whisk. We don't want to get out this too much. So we put too much milk in there. Thanks to you. Good job.
You told me to put that in there, and you put more in that.
So
my God.
That's really thin. That's just like so that's okay. Guess what we can do? We can add more mix to it. Yeah, I told you we needed more mix. So just a little bit to get pancake batter. You don't want to over mix it. Okay, you over mix it, they get very dense and they're not cool. All right, that's good. All right, let's do that kind of business right there. And now take this and just kind of run around.
Okay.
All right, like you want a little bit of cinnamon?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go start with cinnamon. So the first walk of shame because of you. Good job. Good job.
Dads these days.
Cinnamon. So you're in luck. All right.
What?
So we got regular old cinnamon.
Pumpkin.
We got pumpkin pie spice. And we got this Blackstone sweet maple. Which do you like?
Let's do pumpkin because tomorrow we're going trick-or-treating.
Tomorrow we're going trick-or-treating.
Even though it's
Put you some in
not
there.
Halloween.
It's not Halloween, but it's our neighborhood.
Tell me when to stop.
All right. Well, put you a little more in there. So this is gonna be kind of like a pumpkin, spice pancake, huh? While we're doing that, folks, we're gonna get the griddle.
Do you gotta mix it?
Pre-warm the griddle. Take your whisk. Give it some whiskey business.
Where's
It's right there. We're gonna pre-warm our griddle. We're gonna put it on a low. Add a little Cheerwine syrup, a little bit of just a tad. Give it a little cherry, a little bit of. Ooh, yeah. Might be a little red too. Speaking of Cheerwine.
Mine's over there too.
All right.
It's gonna turn pink. Yeah.
A little bit. It almost looked like a red velvet cake. All right, there we go. Now the objective here is to let your pancake mix. You want to let it sit, and that's just what we do. And the reason why we let it sit is it kind of activates. You'll see bubbles start kind of rising. That's the baking powder, the leavening agent. Okay. All right. So we got our pancake mix mixed. It's over there hanging out.
Yeah.
She's gonna get some eggs going. I'm gonna get some sausage going. Some of my favorite sausage. Now, I did a sausage comparison. You go ahead and get the eggs going.
Okay.
I did a sausage comparison not long ago. Tested out all kinds of popular sausages, and well, my sausage actually didn't even rate it the best, but I still like it. It's my favorite. I think for breakfast tacos, you think, let's do a little bit of it. I don't think we need the whole pound.
Wait, we forgot to get pepper and salt.
We got pepper and salt. Heifer dust. Yep. All right.
And
Keep cracking. 5 eggs. Chop, chop. All right, we're
there's
going
a
to get our
shell.
sausage down, huh?
Where's the shell?
Yeah. It's all right. Jacob eat it. Got our half pound of sausage down onto a... I did have it was pre-warmed to low. I actually cranked it up. I need a little bit more action from it, okay? So we're going to get that down.
Big boy.
Mare Bear is getting our eggs going. Beautiful eggs from Jacob's house. He's got eggs. That's what he lives with. He lives with chickens. They are in his house. Get a little bit of half and half too in a minute. Pour your little half and half.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Keep going. All right, a little bit more. All right, that's good. All right.
Oh, it's brand new.
Here you go. You mix. You mix. You mix and I'll do this. This is what we do. We add heifer dust to our eggs, don't we? Use it all the time, don't we? Just not just for heifers. Mix that up real well. We'll season them eggs up a little bit of heifer dust. All right. Got our sausage. It's going up. We're gonna have to we'll make our tacos, shells. We'll figure this out here in a minute. Might actually put this stuff over here. You got that mixed up?
Yeah.
All right. Well, before we do that, we're going to make our tacos, the taco shells, or the tortilla, so to speak, right?
Tortilla.
Yeah. So we're going to use this. This side over here is for that. All right. Let's get a little bit of butter.
Butter.
Yep.
Butter.
You got it right here.
This enough?
Yep. Now let's.
All of this?
Actually, we got some bacon grease right here. That might be good.
Okay.
From our last video. Where you going? You're everywhere. What are you doing?
I thought it was in there. The bacon grease.
I got it. It's right here.
Oh.
From our last cook, silly. All right. You want to do this?
Yes.
All right. So I want to show you one, okay? All right, we're going to make our tortillas. So we got our kind of loose batter, right? And we're going to kind of put it right there. Ooh, that little pink. Nice pink. And it's going to kind of run it around like that because we want it thin, right? Kind of like our taco shells that we do. All right,
Yeah.
think you can do it?
I don't know.
All right, get you a little, that might be enough. All right, put some right beside of it. Yep. There you go.
Make it
It's kind of,
thin.
yeah, baby. You've done our taco
Oh.
shells. That's all right. Fill it in.
There we go.
There we go.
It's a little softer than yours, man.
Huh?
That's a little softer than yours.
It is. Mine looks like an orb. Hers looks very perfect. We put a little bit of Cheerwine syrup into this. Really good stuff.
Pink.
You can get it online. Yeah. So it don't have any carbonation in it, but you get
Oh,
all the
those are
good stuff
thick.
of the old Cheerwine. We're going to have to flip those here in a minute.
Those are thick.
Yeah, they'll flip. All right. I think 6 will probably be good. All right. Ready? We'll flip this, Jake.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. Well, that's going to make a nice little thing. Actually, let's let those go just for a little bit longer. Let's stir your sausage up.
Okay. How do I exactly do that?
Just flip it. You know how to do it. You help me all the time, silly.
Did we use this sausage at the mountains?
Did we use it at the mountains?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
when we
think
went
so.
for my birthday.
I think so. All right, let's let me get over here and There we go.
That one's
That right there.
nice and brown.
Well,
That one's,
it'd be all right. We'll flip them back over.
that one's real thin.
I don't want them to be too much cooked where you can't fold them because we're wanting to fold these things, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, your sausage
Well,
working pretty good.
Not literally fold them, but like,
Yeah, you got to work them. You got to fold them into like a taco.
I know, but not fold them like paper.
Yeah, not like paper. Not like paper. All right, we're gonna get ready for some eggs. A lot of times sausage don't have enough fat. It doesn't, it's kind of, just don't
Not
have a lot of
fatty.
fat. So I add some to it. Add a little bit of butter. Let's flip these other two pancakes.
They're probably gonna be more cooked.
Not really. I got it on low over here.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's what we do. We just use our zones. Look at that. These are looking good, Mary. All right.
this one's looking the most thin.
Let's get our eggs down. You want me to help you? All right, we need to turn this off. That's a little bit low. Or a little too hot, sorry. All right, you get your spatula, and I'll be your sous chef, okay? And we're just going to pour these right down. Right over.
Oh no.
All right, you help me just do that. Yeah, our Blackstone's pitched towards that corner over there, which is the way we kind of like it. How we like it. Well, we like it, Jeff.
Who's Jeff?
Jeff Anderson.
I didn't know that was the guy's name.
You know Jeff Anderson, right?
I don't.
I tell you what I'm going to do. I think it'd be good to put cheese on there like that. Or no, you want to melt it in.
Yeah.
It does. All right, this is what we're going to do.
Yes.
Pow.
You could.
Ready? Pow.
You should
Oh,
invite
shoot.
Maggie. Could get that.
All right, chop that in.
You could get
What do you
Mike over here, and then we can slap it on his head.
Mike who?
Your brother.
Not Row Wave?
No,
No, okay.
because he's not bald.
All right, let's take these little things, and let's put them right here. Is that kind of how you're envisioning it?
Yes.
Okay.
And then once this melts in,
Yeah, mix that in real well. There we go.
not really melting.
Yeah,
but
we got
okay.
3 more over here that we. I'll put these over here on our cutting board. Our cutting board, ma'am.
We can have those as normal.
Can, yeah. Sure can.
'Cause there's
Hot
some-
sauce? You don't want hot sauce? No? I think some hot sauce would be good. Don't you
on
think, Jay?
those.
No.
Huh? I think it would be. I'm gonna be
Well,
a
you
trendsetter.
can have it on yours,
I'll
but
be right back. Yeah, now you just want to take them. You want to take them and just
don't put a lot in
fill them right up, like.
that.
Get out of there!
There.
Get up! Sorry. She's getting into the sausage. Can't have anything nice around here.
I heard that if you feed your dog raw meat, then they'll turn into a beast.
Matt, go. All right, let's pretty those things up a little bit there.
Well, I'm sorry.
Let me see.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We got the Andersons might come over. You know them, right?
Those people over there? I don't know who the Andersons are.
Well, that's a great looking job right there, Mary. I'm gonna put these over here onto our cutting board. Woo! Look at that. Your tacos are ready. Well, guess what time it is? It's time
Test.
to try your creation. Let's see what you think. Maybe we do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it together.
Ready?
Yeah. Cheers. That's pretty good. Those eggs are good. I brought some syrup out. You reckon you might want some syrup?
Yeah. Just
Now,
a little bit.
yesterday, you said hot sauce would be good.
Well, and then I thought it through, and I don't want a hot sauce on a pancake.
I think it'll work. A little Cholula. Little Cholula. What do you think about the syrup? Is it needed? The hot sauce is good. Try it with the syrup. I'm gonna try some with syrup. With the hot sauce. There's a little sweet. There's a little bit of heat.
A little bit.
Oh yeah, I like the syrup. That's pretty good, ain't it? You had some of this, right? Some of the pancake syrup plus that. It works. It works pretty good. The pancake.
Oh,
The
no.
pancake is almost like a tortilla, ain't it? It's kind of like the shells we make, right? Very good. What do you think? Success? Tell them. Not me.
Success.
Success. Y'all, appreciate you hanging out with us. I had fun with you. I think she had fun as well. Hey, appreciate you. Love you.